In the last video, we learned about John. John is an artist, creating amazing content for his audience of supporters online. His YouTube channel and social media network is growing, and some of his videos get enough views that he even gets paid for it. John had a problem, though. Ad revenue from YouTube just wasn't enough to pay the bills and allow him to scale his, dare I say, business, increasing both the quality and quantity of his creative ideas. He needed a new camera and a video editor to free up some of his time to be more creative, and that costs money. But it wasn't just about needing more cash. John genuinely loves his audience. He's grateful for their support, and he simply wanted to give them even more. So he tried setting up a newsletter and collecting emails through a lead magnet. And that worked. Sorta. Emails came in, but they came in painfully slow. And trying to collect cell phone numbers was next to impossible, and it only gets worse. After collecting about 1,000 emails, he discovered that newsletters cause a whole mess of new problems like, how do I prevent my emails from going to spam, and what should I even put in my emails to get my fans to open them and enjoy them? Did you know there are entire companies that you can hire to write newsletters for you? Man, who knew it was this hard? All this time and energy? For what? So you know what happened? You guessed it. He thought to himself, screw it. I'm going back to doing what I actually know how to do. Create videos. And so his email list sat, collecting dust. Until, of course, he partnered up with Remarkable. Remarkable's specialty is working together with creators and artists just like you. A true partnership where their one-of-a-kind experience in marketing, promotion, and unique audience engagement methods work hand in hand with your unique artistry. Together, they will work with you to increase your audience size, improve your positive engagement, and best of all, help you bring even more value to your supporters. Do you have a YouTube channel, social media following, or email list from your e-commerce store? Yes? Then Remarkable is for you. After 6 months with Remarkable, John's online audience was bigger, happier, and more engaged than ever before. His email and text list was growing crazy fast. Yes, people were actually handing over their cell phone numbers. And no, it wasn't some cheap trick or scammy promotion or magic. They were offered the chance to participate in something, well, remarkable. In the first 30 days, John saw his revenue double. So he hired that new editor and bought that new camera and got back to creating new content in 4K. Sounds great, right? But can it actually be free? The answer? Yes, it can. So, what are you waiting for? Download our free case study or fill out an application to see if you qualify. Or click the links below or to the side of the video to pull back the curtain a bit more and see how we do it.